In the present market-driven economy, Indian companies need managers who can lead and manage the change in people, technology, systems and markets, but also make changes happen. A business school should produce only quality managers with limitless potential to be a leader. The MBA graduates must get know-how, skill and competence from the business school so that they can find favor with industry in terms of meeting their growing needs. Multinational Business Academy is one such leading school in North India which produces both change leaders and change followers required in the multinational world of business. MBA Academy is a registered non-profit arm of Suni Devi Education Society of India. MBA provides higher learning and professional education in business management, retail, supply chain, personality development and other associated fields. The MBA Academy campus is located in the hub of institutional area of the Green City of Noida. The institute is surrounded by many software companies, corporate houses and big retail houses. With several former XLRI and IIM professors on governance, the MBA Academy is for students and professionals who are passionate to make a difference through world-class business education. MBA Academy believes in the new concept of extra employability. It means that the students not only get jobs after our program but are placed first in the hard times because of special skills and programs of our students.
We focus on industry-academic interaction. Under this program, we invite every week guest speakers from the industry, so our students can have first-hand interaction with the speakers, with the industry people.
Our MBA and retail diploma programs give the extra edge of employability so that you learn and earn at the same time with training, internships and placements in the industry immediately. MBA Academy also helps students of other business schools with specialization course in super specialization and international programs. Multinational Business Academy believes in networking, membership and alliances with the best in the world. The Academy networks with world-class professional and academic institution, launches and implements innovative and international education programs to the Indian corporate and business world. Academy has entered into a cooperation and joint certification for joint programs, jobs and internships with American University in the Emirates, Dubai, University of Massachusetts, Boston, USA, National Yunlin University of Science and Technology, Taiwan, Management Development Institute of Singapore. Under the agreement, the Academy has an international MBA program.
We are very passionate about our students so that they become the best in the world.
Our MBA students will have the option to study at the university campus in Taiwan, Singapore and USA. The Academy also receives international students on exchange programs with our partner universities, the list of which is fast growing with new exchange arrangements in Russia, Denmark, France and Holland too. For instance, University of Massachusetts, Boston, USA sent MBA students for a study abroad and exchange course at the MBA Academy, January 2009.
Under the exchange program, our goal is to educate our students about the globe that they live in.
Such programs provide an opportunity to our students to learn and share the culture of each other country and study with international faculty, interact with students from different countries and get an exposure to different teaching styles across the globe.
Everyone, all the people were very helpful, very interesting. They wanted to meet us as much as we wanted to meet them, told us a lot about their culture and their studies, and so they were very friendly and nice to work with.
This exchange program was a perfect balance of sightseeing and learning experiences. We had to interact with Indian students, which was very, very helpful and very educational, I believe, for us and for them as well.
MBA Academy has a joint venture with Amrapali Group of Industries, the leading construction group of India. it has strong industry linkages. Our placement cell is committed to assisting all students with every stage of their career search. The placement manager works directly with students individually and in groups to prepare them for the challenges for job searching across the country. The placement cell provides resources to help them to identify, pursue, and secure positions that meet their career goals. The Academy regularly invites senior corporate and industry executives for presentations, talks, and workshops. MBA students are placed in Pantaloon, Shoppers Stop, Reliance Digital, Lifestyle, Barista, Titan, Tata Westside, LG India. For more information, visit www.mbaexchange.com.